Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Justin Wolf from Wolf Customs. So a couple weeks back I did a review of the Thrunite flashlights, the TI3 and the T10. Both those flashlights were very impressive and I actually really liked them. Well, Thrunite has sent me the T20 model, and again this thing comes in a very nice tin, which is nice. And again, it comes with a lot of the same stuff as the other ones do. It also comes with one of those plastic caps that you put over the top of it to make it like a little lantern. Comes with a pocket clip, a little Allen wrench to put it on, and some replacement O-rings just in case, you know, your other rubber O-rings wear out. Here is the flashlight itself. It's again a small EDC size flashlight, and now this one comes with, or doesn't come with, you have to buy a very it's a unique kind of battery. It's not a AA or AAA or anything like that. It's actually called, let me look in my manual here. It actually is a CR123 battery, and it looks something like this. So that's the battery that you have to use with this flashlight. Now, a couple of the other specs on this flashlight is very similar to the T10, except for this one actually has a much larger lumens output. It's actually got 255 max lumens, and again, this thing has multiple settings, or 3 settings. It has the Firefly mode, a medium mode, and then a high mode. And again, all of them can be used with this cap here. So let's go outside and let's go out into the woods and let's see how good this thing works, shall we? I don't know if you guys can see that eye shine down there. We got something reflecting. Well, you can see whenever you turn this on high, man, it really puts out the light for sure. Did you guys see that? Got ourselves an armadillo. There he goes. Armadillos. They're one of the things that really spook people the most when they enter your camps and everything else, because they're not quiet. They are very loud. And it'll make you think that there's a human or a Sasquatch entering your campsite. But if you know what you're listening for and what they sound like, it won't spook you. just had that eye shine run off. Don't know if you've seen it. More than likely it's probably the deer. This area is thick with deer. Very thick. That beam right now is stretching. I mean, I can clearly see, I guarantee, every bit of 50, 60 yards. I mean, this thing it's really stretching out there quite a bit. Now it's times like this that this comes in handy, because it's not shining in one direct spot. I can crank this thing up onto high and I can really walk around and see what I'm doing. It's almost like a lantern. Tell you what, the more that I use this little plastic thing here, it's kind of nice if you hold it above your head. You can really see all the way around you pretty decent. You definitely don't want to hold it right at eye level, especially if it's on high, because otherwise it's going to blind you. Well guys, I appreciate you tagging along with me, sharing this this nifty little T20. I tell you what, this thing is very impressive. For an ED style and size flashlight, this sucker really puts out a lot of light. The only negative thing I've ever heard when it comes to these flashlights is the battery time. You know, whenever you're running this thing on high, you know, more than likely it's not going to last that long. But as long as you're conservative and use it as a EDC style flashlight, I think it should definitely do the job. I definitely look forward to using some of the larger Thrunite flashlights. So anyway, gonna head back home. But anyway, I'm gonna leave some links in the description where you guys can find these things if you're interested. If you guys have enjoyed it, and as always, have a good one.